Yeah.
So let's hurry and talk about this whole project thingamabobber.
Uh-huh.
So basically, all we have to do today is divide it. What we need to figure out what we want to do for our project, divide it up, and and submit that part today.
Okay.
I don't know what we're supposed to submit, but we're supposed to submit something.
Oh, I think we're just supposed to mark it as complete, right? Or no?
Okay.
Oh yeah, it just says mark. That's complete down there.
There, I marked it as completed.
Okay. um.
So, so there's 6 parts in it. There's the design the study, collect the data, describe the data, make it inference, take action, and then a PowerPoint presentation. Each person's supposed to do one of those, except for collect data. We all do the data collection together.
Mhm.
So, what do you guys want to do?
Hmm. So does it just have to be something that we kind of like one of our SPSS kind of data groups? Something that would, I don't know.
So, like the example she shared, I was looking at it at work last night. So it said, like, here's a list of possible ideas you can study. Are there 1,000 chips in every bag of Chips Ahoy? Are brand A paper towels stronger than brand B paper towels? Is the difference in price of books at BYU Idaho bookstore compared to those available online? Are men and women more likely to walk on the grass if they're walking behind someone who's walking on the grass?
Hmm.
Are the distribution of colors between plain and peanut M&Ms equal?
Hmm.
So
So
I don't know.
we could do,
I want an easy one.
yeah. um. Something with food sounds good to me. We could do like Skittles or something like that. Yeah. Like, um, we could make a hypothesis that. Well, actually, I don't know what the status quo is for having like colors of Skittles in a bag. Are they all even? Or I don't know. We could check. We could be like, so our null hypothesis is each bag of Skittles contains the same amount of colors,
Mm-hmm.
um, equal same amount of colors or whatever, and then just alternative hypothesis, it does not equal
Yeah,
amount of colors, or
I like it.
there are more colors, or there are more or less colors, or something like that.
Mhm. That sounds good to me.
All right, cool. Let's do that. Okay.
And we could do like 5 bags of Skittles each, and
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
so I'm down about eating Skittles. That sounds good.
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll each do 5 bags? Yeah. Okay. 15 bags. That's a pretty good sample size, right?
It would
Yeah.
be 20 with
Ben.
my Ben Cowboy. His email's Cowboy Mike.
Oh.
Yeah,
Scalp.
Ben.
Yeah. All right, cool. That sounds good.
I like it.
So design a study.
So who wants to design the study? I can design the study, I guess.
Okay. That might be best for me because I work Friday night and Saturday night. I guess I could do it earlier. I just
Yeah, I'll do design the study since you work.
Okay. Then everyone has to do collect the data their own, right?
Yeah, we
And then
all collect the data.
Mm-hmm.
describe the data. I could describe it, I guess.
Okay. I can do the make inference.
Okay.
That leaves two more.
Data.
I think the PowerPoint will be the biggest, so we could have Ben do the PowerPoint
Mm-hmm.
and not make him do two.
Yeah. And then take action. I don't know.
I guess these two are combined. The make inference and take action.
All right,
Oh,
so you want to do those, Joe?
Yeah, I can just do those.
Perfect.
great.
Look at that.
Well, it says at the bottom, after you've designated which members of your group will be in charge of each step above, ask your group leader to submit this document with the names filled in. Where do you submit it? Weird.
I don't know.
How do you submit it? Maybe, I don't know. That's weird. Oh, maybe you do it with design the study or something like that.
Oh yeah, maybe.
I'll
Yeah,
make
because the little paper in design the study has a list of what people are going to be doing.
Oh okay.
All right, cool. Well, great.
So yeah, I guess that's when I'll do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we got this group meeting.
And then yeah, just make sure you check off the final project overview because that takes it off of the upcoming projects thing. So
Mm-hmm.
Where's that at? Oh, that's what we just did right now.
yeah.
Okay. All right, cool.
All right, so I'll make sure I'll get the design the study thing done by this weekend.
All right. Great. Sounds good. Thanks.
All right. Should we get started? Anyone have questions on the preparation assignment?
Could you guys get the sheet to pull up the or what did your individual preparation page look like?
Let me check real quick. It just looked like a normal one, I guess. Had like the two.
Yeah, it was 3 pages long.
Or the online textbook, did that come up for you guys?
Yeah.
Mine's just saying I click on it. It's the describing categorical data, right?
Yeah.
I wish I could show you what it's doing. It's just like it says it was modified on April 20 or 22nd of April.
Exit out and try it again.
Did that work? Should I learn?
Oh yeah, mine's doing the same thing.
Yeah, mine's doing that now too.
Yeah.
I still have it pulled up from a previous browser from yesterday, but yeah, if you try and pull it up fresh, it's not, you know.
Yeah.
Weird.
That's weird.
Well, you still have it pulled up, Jeff?
Yeah, I have one pulled up here.
Great. We can just use that if we have questions. That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Of course. All right, should we get started?
Sure.
Yeah, let's do it.
So what do we have to pull up? Is there something we have to pull up in SPSS for this? Does it show?
I don't think we do we?
I don't think so either. We just have some calculations to do with that little formula we got.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, so number 3.
Oops.
I'll keep trying to pull up that page as we go along, so you're not the only one with the textbook.
So is number 3B.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, that sounds right to me.
Are you sure it's not number 1? They just do it for fun. Just it's more visually appealing.
I think that's what it is. So I'm gonna go with-
Charts are fun to look at.
Okay.
4 is C, right?
Yeah, as the Pareto, they rearrange it from descending, right? Or ace.
Yeah, it's the one that slides down.
Yeah. This means we conclude that P is normally distributed if nurse practitioner is greater than or equal to 10, right?
Yep.
There's my just
A nurse practitioner, yep.
P is proportion.
10 years of age. It's got to be older.
So you're going to have to help me out on this one. I have no idea.
Yeah.
I know in the videos it talked something about that, but I didn't understand it. Let's see, here it is. How large is large enough? We can apply the central limit theorem to a sample proportion and conclude that P follows a normal distribution if both of the following conditions are satisfied. NP is greater than or equal to 10, and parentheses 1 minus P parentheses is greater than or equal to 10. It is important to check both conditions. If one of them is not satisfied, we cannot conclude that P follows a normal distribution. So, all it's asking with this one is if the P without the line above it is the true proportion or the sample proportion. That's the true proportion, isn't it? Because the sample is the one with the line over it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The same as the mean. When they have a sample mean, that would be a line. So yeah, that must be.
Yeah, the sample proportion, P with a line over it. So yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the true proportion. It's A.
Yeah.
So P is the true proportion?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
And P with the mark over its sample proportion.
6 is A, right?
Yep. I'm tired.
Would N have to be 40 if P is 1/4? Well, actually, no, I'm looking at that wrong.
Yeah, if it's 1/4, N would have to be 40.
Is that how? Is
Because
that?
NP, so 1/4 times P is 10.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so then if you did the 40, use this other calculator.
Wait, where are you guys getting the 40 from?
So I think what we're trying to do is figure out what the formula from the one that we just did above it. We're trying to figure out the minimum sample size, and we have to make sure that it's normally distributed using the NP is greater than or equal to 4 to 10.
Mm.
So if you do 1/4 times 40, that equals 10.
Yeah.
And then if you do 40 parentheses 1 minus 1/4, and that's greater than 10. Also, that's 30. So
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So is it 40 then?
I think
I
Joe's right.
think so.
Okay.
This one I'm not sure.
Let me pull it up here.
Mm.
I don't know how you figure that out.
I don't either. You know, I don't know. I thought this would be more of the SPSS. This stuff, I really don't know unless I have the book.
I know.
I mean, I guess what we could do is kind of do what we've done in the past and try to do it ourselves, email each other what we have once we've figured it out. I'll email her about the book and see if we can get the book opened up. That way,
Yeah.
Jeff's
That's
not
probably
doing everything.
best.
So we could, yeah, just save it from here and then email each other the last few of these.
Yeah, just because, I mean, I feel like Jeff's going to be looking everything up and we don't have anything.
Yeah, I know. It'd probably be better just to wait until we have that.
Is that okay with you guys? You
I'm
two?
cool with that.
All right, cool.
Yeah, me too.
Is there a certain time you guys want it done by today, or is it okay if we just get it done sometime today?
For me, earlier the better because I have to work tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So if we could have it done like by 4.
Yeah.
Okay,
That sounds good to me.
I probably could do that. I'll email her right now and see if we can get that book fixed.
Okay.
All right, thanks, guys. We'll see you Thursday then.
What? Thursday morning?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds
Thursday
good.
morning it is.
Okay.
You guys, thanks.
All right. We'll see you.
Bye.